Can you guys hear this? It's really loud.
So I'm in the park. Do you guys hear this? This loud noise? It's actually coming from an insect. It's the large brown cicada. And they're actually pretty cool. The eggs of these cicada are placed in a tree, and once they hatch they fall on the ground, and then they live in the ground for like 17 years, and then they come to the surface and feed on tree leaves, and then they lay eggs in the trees, and the whole process starts again. And this one actually left its shell. Super bizarre, super weird. And then they get wings and they can fly, and the noise you hear is actually their mate's call.
So we're back at our favorite Vietnamese place for some pho. What do you have, Micah?
I think it's pho with seafood.
Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, we really deserve this. A little spring roll as well. I finally bought a suit for my sister's wedding, and it's quite funny because for some reason you always end up with the suit that you tried on first, because we've been literally all over Tokyo all day, and then we ended up with this one, which we tried on actually yesterday, so I'm very, very happy. So the fun thing is that I always had a really hard time finding a suit in Holland, but in Japan it was actually really easy, because all these suits are really like made for my body type. So yeah, it's really nice. So I'm very happy. So we're in Kisho Park, and all the people here are playing Pokemon Go. And we're having a little snack. And enjoying our view. It's funny to see how everybody is standing in the shade.
If I made this game, I would be very proud. It's like everyone's playing the game.
Yep.
And every single person is on their phone.
Okay, we're gonna go to this mall here. Get your picture taken here, or with your baby like this. That's ridiculous.